Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the Post Stripes stitch pattern. This is not a reversible pattern, so you'll only see the stripes on one side. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that stitch. Now to get started, you're going to chain multiples of 4 plus 3. So to get started with row 1, we are going to chain 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, we are going to work our first treble crochet. Next, we will treble crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Alright, now that we have finished row 1, we are going to start the repeat for this, which is rows 2 and 3. So to get started on row 2, you are going to chain 2 and you're going to work 3 treble crochets. Now each row is always going to start with 3 treble crochets before you start off on the repeating pattern for that row. So to start the repeating pattern for this row, we are going to work 1 treble crochet in the back loop, followed by 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. And you would repeat this until the end of the row. So again, it's going to be a back post treble crochet, followed by working 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. Alright, so this is the back of the stripes, so when you turn your work, this will actually be the front of your work. So for row 3, you're going to chain 2, and again, you're going to start off this row by working 3 treble crochets. Next, you're going to start by doing a front post treble crochet, followed by 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. Again, we are going to do a front post treble crochet, followed by 3 treble crochets and the next 3 stitches. And again, the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 2 and 3. This project was super fun to do, and this is how you do the Post Stripes stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope you have a happy crochet day.